welcome to Antonieta's Home Cooking. Today we're going away from the norm of home cooked meals. I'm doing something really special for the kids that everyone can do at home since we're stuck in such a miserable day, raining, overcast. So we're making chocolate crackles. Good old favourite. I haven't made these for about 15 years. So pretty much it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. We've got 4 cups of rice puffs or rice bubbles. To that we're adding a cup of sifted icing sugar. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2, 3. A cup of desiccated coconut. Give that a bit of a stir. Just like that. And we're going to add in 250 gram block of cocoa, which has been melted. Be careful because it is hot. Just pour it in slowly. And as I said, this is something you can do with the kids. Keeps them busy for a few minutes and they're really yummy to eat. Stir it all in together so everything, all the rice bubbles or rice puffs turn chocolatey. It won't take long. And I've got here a patty cake tin lined with some patty cakes ready to be filled. Now that's pretty much ready to go. So we're going to fill these patty tins with a tablespoon. We'll start off with a tablespoon of rice bubble mix. And if we need more to top it up, we can. Once you've filled these, pop them in the fridge until they're set and enjoy.